3 months ago, everyone was asking the same question. Will AI kill Indian IT? Claude Code, GPT-powered coding agents, autonomous software development. The conversation was quite brutal. Fewer engineers, fewer developers, service contracts, and maybe even fewer jobs. Then something unexpected happened. The very companies that were supposed to replace Indian IT started hiring people to do what Indian IT has done for a very long time: deploy technology inside enterprises. And Cognizant's latest announcement may be the clearest proof as yet. Last week on Front Page, if you remember, we had spoken about something very important, which was the AI labs are discovering the same problem their customers are also discovering. Building AI is one thing, making AI work inside a real enterprise is something else altogether. European banks are learning it. Manufacturers, of course, are finding a sense of that. Governments are starting to absorb it. And now, even the AI labs are starting to say, yes, we agree. The model, I believe, is no longer the constraint. Deployment is, execution, integration, and then what comes with that is truly the most important aspect, which is trust. This week, Cognizant announced two entirely new AI era roles: Frontier Certified Engineers and Frontier Business Operators. Now, these are not traditional software engineers. They're actually not even traditional consultants. They're designed for a world where humans and AI agents work together in unison. Think about it from this point of view. It is like the biggest opportunity is no longer writing software. It is redesigning businesses around AI. That's what we've been saying again and again. So to start with, let's say, the frontier engineers. Their job is to actually sit with the clients and completely rethink how work gets done in an AI-first environment. Because the uncomfortable, slightly strange truth is this: most AI projects don't fail because the model isn't smart enough. They fail because organizations don't know how to integrate AI into real-world operations. The second role may be even more important than the first one I just described. Cognizant calls it the frontier business operator. What is their responsibility? Manage a blended workforce of humans and AI agents. So now, for quite some time, managers manage people. Now, companies are preparing managers who will manage people and AI systems together, which is a completely different workforce model. And it tells us exactly where enterprise AI is starting to head. Now, of course, as I had mentioned earlier as well, that you have been following Front Page, and we thank you for that from the bottom of our hearts, for liking, sharing, and subscribing. And if you've been doing all of that, then you know that all our stories, we have been pointing towards this, a pattern which is starting to emerge everywhere. Palantir built its business around forward-deployed engineers. OpenAI acquired Tomorrow and brought deployment talent closer to the company. Anthropic is also building enterprise implementation capabilities. TCS then walks in and became Mistral's first global systems integration partner. Wipro has expanded its ServiceNow AI deployment partnership. HCL Tech has crossed $620 million in annualized AI revenue. So everyone is moving towards the same destination, which is deployment, because AI models don't deploy themselves. Now, of course, I would like for us to talk about something which I believe is at the top of everyone's mind. Yes, some jobs are disappearing. Testing, documentation, basic coding, maintenance work, parts of traditional services delivery as well. Now, AI is absolutely automating those tasks, for sure. Pretending otherwise, to be honest, won't really help anyone's career path. The threat is definitely real, and the industry is changing quite permanently. The work is moving higher up the stack, from coding to orchestration, execution to outcomes, maintaining systems to managing agents, and of course, from labor arbitrage to intelligence arbitrage. And that's exactly what Cognizant's announcement represents. Not a mere replacement, but almost a repositioning. Now, for quite some time, Indian IT had sold the entire concept of execution. Today, enterprises want something entirely different. They want someone who can help them redesign operations around AI, govern the AI systems, deploy agents safely, navigate the compliance aspect, manage AI costs, which by the way is a big one, and finally, connect models to business outcomes. Those are precisely the capabilities Indian IT firms are now investing in, which is why the industry's future may look very different from what we have seen in the past. But difference doesn't automatically mean smaller. And here, of course, is the front page take. The biggest misconception in AI right now is that enterprise transformation ends when the model arrives. In reality, that's where the hard work actually begins. And Cognizant's new roles reveal something extremely crucial. The next generation of AI jobs may not be so much about prompt engineers. They may not even be actually traditional software engineers. They may be people who understand workflows, operations, business processes, governance, compliance, and most importantly, AI systems at the same time. So in other words, the industry is creating new professions, and for everyone worried about the future of Indian IT, that's the signal worth paying attention to. The jobs are changing, as we've established. The skills, of course, going along with those jobs are also going through a transformation. The delivery model is starting to deliver something else entirely. But the demand for people who can make AI actually work inside enterprises, that actually, ladies and gentlemen, might just be growing faster than ever. So are you interested in getting on that particular train? Please do let us know in the comments below. This, ladies and gentlemen, is Front Page by the AIM Network. Like, share, subscribe, and always remember, think AI, think AIM.